One dark and stormy day, a little raindrop fell out of a cloud and flew faster and faster through the sky. A gust of wind blew little raindrops sideways, and in a dazzling flash of red, orange, and yellow, he found himself inside a rainbow. Enjoying the beautiful colors, little raindrop fell through green, blue, indigo, and violet before another gust of wind blew him out of the rainbow. Splash! Little raindrop landed in a shallow puddle on top of a large rock. Splish, splash, splosh! Lots of other raindrops fell all around him until the puddle was overflowing. Little raindrop ran down the side of the rock and joined a stream. In a stream, little raindrop drifted through woods and bounced over pebbles. He played with small shimmering fish and watched them dart around as deer and rabbits came to drink at the water's edge. Sometimes laughing children would raise sticks in the water and little raindrop would chase them under bridges, dodging the swirling grass and fluttering leaves. After a while, the stream joined a river and little raindrop floated along in the strong current. At times the river was calm and peaceful, and little raindrop watched diving kingfishers and large fish as they swam slowly by. At other times the river was noisy and rough. Little raindrop raced along rapids and dived down waterfalls, carefully avoiding the jagged rocks at the bottom of the falls. Eventually, the river reached the sea and little raindrop was pulled far away from the shore. He met friendly dolphins who played and danced in the sunlight, and he listened as they whistled and clicked their greetings to each other. One day the tide pulled little raindrop back to the beach. He surfed the waves and crashed onto a shore until finally he came to rest up on the soft sand. The sun shone down on the sand and little raindrop got hotter and hotter until the warmth of the sun drew him up into the air. It was cooler in the sky, and little raindrop joined a cloud that was already full of raindrops. Little raindrop was ready to fall to earth and began his journey once